Sir, to connect the electronic components and wires.
Connect the electrical component to another component, right? Why we are using?
So we use the breadboard to simplify the connections. As I'm sure it's dangerous for some children, maybe they can burn their hands, kind of.
Basically, so मेरे instructions क्या होंगे? To turn it on और to turn it off.
Why we use aluminum wires instead of copper wires?
Copper wires.
Copper wires.
So whenever we do experiment takes more voltage. So aluminum wire के साथ कम करते हैं. So first of all, there we use aluminum wire. Chassis is there. Four wheels. ठीक है. Battery holder is attached with motor driver module. Motor driver module में 2 wires are also provided. Circuit diagram. एक circuit diagram मैं आपको show करूँगा. यहाँ पे any robot we require. What do we require? एक circuit हमें चाहिए होता है. So that's how. ये जो वायर्स आपको अटैच, first thing we will attach our microcontroller. Right? Now you have one motor driver module. आपके पास integrated, right? That is called module is to control. If I want to move my motor, rotate my motor clockwise. Basically, knots to tight. This one goes inside, outward. And similarly, this पीछे वाला. And this one goes inside. अब motor driver module this side और that side यहाँ पे भी आप रख सकते हो इसको यहाँ पे भी करेगा like this. ठीक है. तो ये आगे को मूव कर रहा है. ठीक है. तो that means ये वाली जो वायर है ये लगेगी इस तरफ.